Let us begin. To solve the Rubik's Cube for beginners, it's good to have the white side of the first layer solved first. Let's start. We look now. What we need to do is we have to make sure that all the four sides 1, 2, 3, 4 with the yellow on top, so that this is in preparation for the second layer. Okay, so what we do is we have to make sure that these four sides is white. I will show you what happened afterward. Let's look for white. Okay, this is white, and what we do is we just turn it around, and that's white, one white, and then we look for another white. Okay, that's another white, and we turn it two whites. Okay, there's another white this side. So what we do is we just turn it the other side, and we turn it over here so that it can come out this way. You see, it's easy. White. Now we got one more. Okay, see, if you cannot see from the side, then you can see bottom, then bottom, and we have to go to the side where there is no white, and then we just turn it around, and that's four white. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to set it up to the white side. Okay, but before that we have to look at the adjacent side. It's green, so we have to make sure that this middle portion is green. Okay, now we have arrived, and then there's green, and we turn the other way around, and that's it. Green, green, white, white. Now the next round, move blue. So blue. Okay, now we have reached blue, blue, white. Turn the other way around, and you see it's blue, blue, white, 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 green, green. So now we move to the next one. It's orange. Okay, orange. Now orange, we turn the other way around. It's orange, orange, green, white, white. So you see, green, green, white, 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 blue, blue. Now we have the left one more, and that's it. This one. So red. So we turn red. See, red, green, white, and we turn the other way around, and you see white, white, red, red, white, green, green, white, white, orange, orange, white, white, blue, blue. See, like I explained in the preliminary, this axis does not move. That's why when you change to this color, it remains. Now what we do is we turn the other way around. Before we turn the other around, we have to make sure 1, 2, 3, 4 are whites, and all this must maintain as red. This is green, so you must make sure it's green. Orange, make sure it's orange. Okay, and white, all these are white to have finished the first layer. Okay, now see, white is at the side here, and orange, orange, orange. So what we do now is we turn the other way around, and we push it back here, and you see it's white, white, red, red, orange. See, orange, orange, green, green, white. Same thing with here, it's red, So what we do is orange, white, red. See, red, red, red. So what we do is we just turn the other way around, and the white here, see, it's red, red, blue, blue. See, so it's done. Now it's left with these two, this side and this side, and we have to search for another white. Okay, white. So we have to turn this to the orange side. Okay, orange, orange, orange. We just take this up and you turn it here, and you see it's orange, 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 blue, 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 green, green, and now it's left with one more. Where is the white? Okay, it's here. So because you should not be moving the rest, so what you do is you just have to turn this white color to this side to make sure that this is on the side. See, and you move to away from this turning axis. So, and you move it back, and you see the white on this side. So, and it will, when you turn it here, then you will automatically red, red, red. See, so if it's red, red, and red, you turn the other way around, and you turn it here, and that's it, all white. So now you have solved the layer 1 puzzle. White, orange, blue, red, green. See, red, green, orange, blue. First layer. That's it.